Welcome back to Master Your Glass with me, Livio Laro. Today we're going to make a bitter orange highball called the Garibaldi. Okay, so the Garibaldi cocktail is a drink made in honor of Giuseppe Garibaldi. He was widely recognized as one of the key figures in the unification of Italy. Speaking of the unification of Italy, the ingredients of this cocktail are Campari, which is from Milan, northern Italy, and gold oranges from Sicily, which is southern Italy. So this cocktail too, just like Garibaldi, unifies that country. Additionally, that orange-red color is a symbol of the color of the freedom fighters that Garibaldi brought throughout Italy in the unification. Okay, as usual, the first thing we're going to do is chill our highball glass. Let's go ahead and add about 4 or 5 nice ice cubes. I'm making it the way that we made it in Italy. I made this drink for many years when I bartended in southern Italy, and it was made morning, afternoon, and evening because it's so light, so fluffy, so easy to make. To chill the glass, I'm just going to go ahead and stir that ice around inside. Make sure that it covers the sides of the glass. So now, once your glass is chilled, there's no need to throw the ice away. All you do is you take it and you will get rid of the excess ice, just like that. Now your glass is chilled, your ice is strong, it's cold, it's hard. We're going to go ahead and add 1.5 ounces, 45 mils of Campari. There we go. And then we're going to add 4.5 ounces, about 120 mils, of that fresh, fluffy orange juice that we just squeezed earlier. And see how that color's coming together? While that separation looks good, to not stir the drink right now would be a little bit lazy. So let's go ahead and stir these ingredients together. Okay, there we go. Let's set that to the side right here so you have a better visual of my board. So when it's time to cut this garnish, in theory, I would always promote to cut it lengthwise, just like this, into 2 halves, and then to cut your garnish just like this, right? The slice is the way we garnish it in Italy. Just a nice little orange slice, just like that. And I'm going to show it to you so you can see what it looks like. But in this case, if you're actually making fresh OJ the way I just made it, we're going to do it a different way. I'm going to set this aside. Actually, I'm going to put these over here. And what I'm going to recommend this time is a different way to cut it. We're going to cut it in half, okay? And then we're going to take a slice and we're going to cut that one in half. All right, so far so good. I'm going to take these and set these aside. And then I'm going to cut this in half just like that. Okay, so now this is what the orange slice looks like. Now you might be asking, what's the difference? There really is no difference in the slice itself. The difference is in the cut of the orange. By cutting it this way versus this way, we can use this for the pressing of the orange when we're making our fresh squeezed orange juice. Okay, so garnish goes right there. And again, this is how it is served traditionally in Italy. So there you have it. Garibaldi. I can totally understand as I'm drinking it why it's so easy to order all day long, and it's nice and fluffy, a little bit of bitter, not too challenging, but enough to give you a little bit of a backbone. Such an amazing drink. In Italy, we still use the term Garibaldino when defining somebody that is gutsy and bold and has courage. So this cocktail, the Garibaldi, isn't just a drink, it's a way of life. Please remember to like this video and subscribe to Master Your Glass with me, Livio Laro, where you get expert instruction for everyday consumption.